Is that what you want?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, where the we were talking about it in the car where the structure is more coming out than what you're playing. Yeah.
And I think we have to do it much faster.
Oh. I'm figuring it out.
Yeah, sure, no problem. All good. It's all good. But that's it. That's it.
How is the form of it? Verse?
Yeah,
verse, chorus.
So the intro.
Where we're together.
Yeah, together. 4 times. And then,
No, we started the thing with you started first, right?
oh, okay. Oh yeah, you know what? Right. So you get the.
Yeah. Where do you want it in the 2 or the 4?
That's.
Yeah, 4. It sounds better when.
Yeah,
because it sounds cooler when the guitars are ringing.
Okay. And I guess I get to set the tempo.
Yeah, it sounds great.